Good morning. Welcome to the English lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher, and today we're doing there is, there are, there isn't, there aren't, is there, are there, question. Yeah, is there, are there, question. Negative, there isn't, there aren't. Positive, there is, there are. These are present tense. Yeah, is, are, present. Then we will study there was, there were, past tense. There wasn't, there weren't, negative, past tense. And questions. Was there, were there, past. All of that is past. And we will describe our houses, our gardens, and our towns. Yeah, we will describe our houses, our gardens, our towns with there is, there are. So, in my garden, there are many trees. There are many trees in my garden. Yeah, it means many trees are in my garden. It's the same. Many trees are in my garden. Or, in my garden, there are many trees. This is why we use are, yeah? Are is plural. Trees, flowers, cars. Yeah, we need are for plural. So, are there many trees in your garden? Are there many flowers? Yeah, flowers, you know flowers? Yeah, like that. Yeah. Are there many flowers in your garden? Are there many trees in your garden? Yeah, and we use are because flowers, trees. Okay. In my shed, this is my shed. Shed is a wooden house in the garden. Usually many tools are in the shed. Yeah, I have many tools in my shed. So there is a computer in my shed. There are many tools in my shed. There are hammers, there are spanners. There are many tools in my shed. It means in my shed, a computer is in my shed. It's the same. A computer is in my shed. Or tools are in my shed. Or there are many tools in my shed. The same, exactly the same. Okay, you remember, I don't drive. So, there isn't a car in front of my house. Yeah, in front of, if this is my house, this is my house, in front of means here. This is in front of my house. My pen is in front of me. My pen is behind me. Behind, in front of. Behind, in front of. Behind, in front of. Yeah, in front of is here and behind is here. Yeah? Behind is behind the box, in front of the box. Yeah, the pen is in front of Dave, the pen is behind Dave. Yeah, there is a pen in front of me, and there isn't a pen in front of me. There is a pen behind me. So there isn't a car in front of my house. I don't drive. There isn't a car in front of my house. Is there a car in front of your house? Do you drive? Is there a car in front of your house? Are there many cars in front of your house? Maybe you drive, maybe your wife drives, maybe your children drive. Are there cars in front of your house? Okay, there aren't dogs in my house. Yeah, or dogs aren't in my house. The same. And sometimes we say there aren't any dogs in my house? It's the same, the same. There aren't dogs in my house. There aren't any dogs in my house. You remember, I have 2 cats. Yeah, I have 2 cats, one white cat and one brown cat. So there aren't any dogs in my house. There are 2 cats in my house. I have 2 cats, or there are 2 cats in my house. There are 2 cats. There aren't any dogs. Okay? So, are there any dogs in your house? Are there any cats in your house? Do you have any pets? Okay, now I want to talk about your bedroom. Your bedroom. Yeah, in my shed, there is a sofa. Right there. In my shed, there is a sofa. Is there a